Hey guys, YoyoStudio sent me a free yo-yo so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you why this one is so unique and innovative. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this yo-yo is it's not the one you grew up with and got at the liquor store. This one is high quality and engineered to perfection. Now in here, you're gonna see a bearing system, and it offers you seamless transition from responsive to unresponsive yo-yo mode. They do give you several of these strings so you can adjust them to the perfect height and have backups. It also comes with this high quality carrying case that's also very durable. Because of this tough material, it's shock and drop resistant. Now you can see with that bearing system, the spin on this thing. So it's easy to use for beginners. As you get better and better, it adjusts with your talent, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a yo-yo.